So in Supercollider, to evaluate, you use command return. So since Supercollider is a real-time program, in other environments, oftentimes you have to compile and run in your every bit of code. But in Supercollider, you can just evaluate snippets. So for example, if I just type the number 1 there and I hit command return, you'll see down here in the post window it's printed 1. Okay. If I wanted to say play something, I think I have to boot my server, so I'm going to do that. If I want to play something, for example, a sine wave, okay, and if I want to evaluate that, again, just that line, command return, you'll play a sound. So, and you can do different types of evaluation. So, for example, if you have 2 plus 2, okay, if I want to evaluate just that line, if I have my cursor blinking anywhere on that line, it'll evaluate the entire line when I hit command return. See, it highlights it, evaluates it, and it actually performs the calculation there, 2 plus 2. If I want to evaluate a single thing or a group of things, I just highlight what I want it to evaluate. So there it's just going to evaluate 2. If I want to evaluate several lines, so 2 plus 2, 3 plus 4, hello, something like that, I would highlight all 3 of these lines and then hit command return to evaluate. So it has all these bits. I don't know why it's shooting an error because, there's no semicolons. Okay, semicolons I think we'll get to later, but they end lines. All right, so that's how evaluation happens. Also, Supercollider, the IDE, will automatically evaluate everything between these 2 parentheses. So if I go 3, 4, hello, okay, and I just hit anywhere inside those parentheses, it'll evaluate everything within the parentheses. Okay. And Supercollider, we'll get more into this later, but it returns the last thing evaluated. So there, if I have it in parentheses, which is a way of declaring scope, it'll evaluate everything within that.